I'm sorry, stock market. Ooh, my account for real. Never meant to buy up all them puts. I should have bought me a call or two. YouTube. What it do? It's your boy Little Petty checking in with you guys with another stock market episode. And as you guys all know, in my episodes, we like to do things my way or the highway, as you guys know. But hey, man, I appreciate you guys checking in my YouTube video. On my channel, we talk stocks, and that's what we're going to talk about today. But in today's video, we are going to talk about how I plan to make $900 this week in the stock market selling options. And we're also going to talk about, is the stock market going to crash, or was this just a pullback? And what is Little Petty going to be doing? So, without further ado, sit back, stay tuned, subscribe if you're new, put on your rolling sheets, and we going to burn through. All right, but let's talk about the stock market today. So, I haven't dropped a video. You know what? Let me slow down. We have a Discord chat. If you guys want to join the Discord chat, make sure you guys drop a comment below saying, hey, Little Petty, I want to join your Discord chat, and I'll think about adding you. Now, go ahead, and if you guys want to follow my Twitter, where I'm posting all the plays, you don't have to be in my GroupMe chat or my Discord chat to see what I'm doing. I'm posting all my credit spread plays and all the plays that I feel are good trades. So if you want to learn and see the education, follow my Twitter. Links in the description. And as you guys all know, check out my YouTube video. Look, this video right here, I talked about buying the dip. It has 9 views. You guys are sleeping on my channel. So, but without further ado, let's get into the charts. As you guys came forward to talk about the stock market, that's what we're gonna do. So we got the SP 500. Today we were up about 0.93%. And as you guys all probably know, that are people that are active in the market, we had a nice pullback. And basically right now we had a somewhat of a semi-reversal candle. So the question is the stock market going to continue lower, or was this just a pullback to make another run up towards the high of this breakdown candle from the COVID-19 pandemic? So that's what we're looking at, the chart right here. What I see, I'm just going to cut to the chase. What I see right here is we are still tightening up in these moving range averages. We have a gap to fill up here. What am I doing? I'm selling puts. I'm selling put credit spreads. I sold put credit spreads over the weekend. We're going to get into my account. We're going to show you everything that we got going on. But until we crack, I would say 288, and we get across downwards, then I would confirm the momentum of the downward shift. Now, I might be wrong. So that's what the stock market is here for. Everybody has their, you could go long, I can go short. So you pick your bet. What I'm going with is the trend is your friend until it's the very end. And we have not shown any type. This is just a hiccup. And I'm looking at this as another scenario right here. When we hicked up, got popped right back up. So, and I'm pretty sure there was some news that the Fed is saving the market. So I'm not shorting the market. I don't short the market. So until the time comes to short the market, I might even just wait for the market to pull all the way back and buy the dip again. So that's my outlook on the market right now. Overall, the market watch today, in the overall markets today, the Dow Jones pretty much green, MRK was down, NASDAQ, Tesla had a 5.6% day. That was strong. We're in that play. And overall, today was just pretty bullish. Everything on my chart was basically green. So we're going to go ahead and jump into the small account challenge, show you guys what's going on. You guys can see we're up about $944 on the day. We did have some pretty big positions on our in this account, but we did close out some trades. The trades that we're holding right now is Boeing, Tesla, Twilio, and Zoom. The way this is broken down is I'm selling put credit spreads, and I'm taking advantage of time decay and theta. So let's go ahead and jump into some of these charts so you can see what I'm looking at. Oh, we're looking at my portfolio, man. See what you looking at, man. But not so Tesla. Let's talk about Tesla. So we set up this Tesla play let's go over. So we did the weekend premium crush. Anybody that's following me knows about this setup that we had. If you watched my last video that I dropped, we talked about how we sell put credit spreads on the weekend going into the Friday going into the weekend, and we either set them up on Thursday, but when I set it up on Thursday, I got smashed. So this position was actually down $300 today. I ended up closing out the 905, the 900s, and we had bought this for 130. We had got a credit of 131, and we closed it out for 42. So we made a $90 profit over the weekend holding this, and we are holding the 960, the 960s and the 955s. We have two of those. We bought these on Thursday, and I'm going to pull up the chart and show you guys what happened on Thursday. So Tesla was up here when we bought it. The stock came down. These were actually in the money. So the Tesla contracts that I was holding was actually in the money. So when you're selling credit, when you're selling puts, you want the puts to expire worthless. When they go in the money, now you have a chance of being exercised. But today, the stock market, it bounced. And this is what I was kind of looking at in the morning. I said, okay, I was looking at it after market, going into the pre-market, and I'm like, okay, we're at 900. 900 should be a psychological good number. I have my supports and resistance. Now, I wanted to take a trade today on Tesla, but since I already had such a big bag, I was holding like $500 of credit. So that's like $1,100 holding in place. So what I ended up doing was I closed out the one, took the $100 profit, and now I'm holding these two contracts, and we're trying to sell these out at 20 cents. Now, the only way this is going to work is if Tesla does not come back down below 690 by Friday. So if it closes below 6 or 960 on Friday, then those contracts would expire in the money. So what we need Tesla to do is basically continue on this bull breakout. So I'm gonna look at the 1 hour chart. You can see we got the bullish cross today. We have a reversal. So as long as we can hold some type of this bullish scenario, then this play will be good. Now, one thing that we did talk about in our group chat today was we don't short Tesla unless you're a professional. So if you're not a professional, do not short Tesla because you will get squeezed. So that's just a little joke within us in the Discord chat. And let's go ahead and just talk about a few more plays. I want to keep this video short, so you guys make sure you guys watch all of it and stay tuned for the next video that we're going to drop. So Boeing, as you guys know, this thing ripped up. It popped back down. It had a sell-off. We're kind of in this bullish scenario. So what I did was set up a play over on Friday. I set the play up on Friday saying Boeing's not going to break below 180. So I sold the 180s, the 180 and the 175. So that's a 2.5 with. We got a credit of $1. So we got a credit of $1 for the two contracts. So $2 for each contract, for $1 for each contract. So $200. The width is 250. So 250 minus 100 is 150. So we spent 150 times 2, which is 300, to make a profit of $200 as long as Boeing stays bullish and close above 180. Now with the Boeing contracts, they are a little volatile, so the spread is gonna net slower. So you'll get most of the premium on Thursday or Friday if you continue to hold for the 4 days. But if Boeing rips to like 220, then those contracts will be able to close out for majority of your profit. And the Twilio. So let's talk about the Twilio because we made this play today. I called this play out, and I actually like Twilio. I've been following them for a while, but my real estate business, the business aspect of Twilio, I like it, and it shows because if you just look at the chart, in the last 3 months, it went from $68 to $200. Now, Twilio, we actually use this from our real estate business company. I'm not going to pull it up right now, but their business model is really, it's pretty dope. I like it. So, and that it shows like just kind of like a ZM. So let's look at ZM real quick. Now, these companies, they're taking advantage of using their online business to scale, and that's why these stocks are bullish right now. So I'm not shorting none of these stocks right now. I'm actually long ZM too, as you can see. So we sold a put credit spread, and we closed out one of those today. So, but we have the put credit spread for ZM. 230 is our level. Twilio 200. we received a credit of 105, and it's a 2.5, so 150. Tesla, we're holding the 2 contracts. So if you add up all of these right here, you will get a total of $900. That is how I'm planning on trying to make $900 profit this week in the stock market selling put options. So that leads to, am I bullish or am I bearish? Well, for the short time, I think we're going to have a small dead cat bounce, but overall the market is still bullish. So from this pullback, we should see a bounce. We got the bounce today. Hopefully we get a little bit more continuation, some FOMO. I'm going to lock up these contracts. I'll probably end up walking away with anywhere from 700 to 800, but we're already up on the week overall. So that's it for this video, YouTube. I want to give a shout out to all my subscribers and followers. And Little Petty is